back to my channel and welcome back to another makeup tutorial. I haven't said that, I swear, in like 6 months. No, actually, whenever I filmed the 19,000 rand video, that was the last time. Like maybe a week or two before that, that was the last time I said that. So yeah, welcome back to another makeup tutorial. Hopefully I do more of these. I'm really praying because I enjoy them. I just kind of lost that a little bit, but I'm gonna get it back, I promise. So I did a really simple, quick and easy makeup look. Really, like, should I say natural skin? Because let me look. Yeah, I'd say it's pretty natural. I didn't use a full coverage foundation. You can still see some of my spots. We are beaming. We're not matte. We've got a glossy lip, feathered eyebrows, and a nice winged liner with some lashes. You could always skip the wing liner and do a faux wing liner with eyeshadow. That would make it a little more natural and a little more subtle. But yes, this is the look I went for today. Honestly, it was just to save time, but I really enjoy how this looks. Very, very, very subtle, nice. I love that. And yeah, I really hope you guys like it as well. So if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a makeup tutorial today, and I just wanted to say that I might have to do a voiceover on some parts because the house is really loud today. So I'll talk through the parts where I can, and then the other parts will just be voiceovers. So let's start this tutorial. I think I usually start with my brows. So we're gonna do that. My brows are pretty rowdy right now. I'm gonna start with the Catrice Goodbye Pores primer for my face and let that sink into my face. So my favorite brow product like ever is the NYX something brow. I'll put it up on the screen. And then this one was a really nice dupe for it. This is the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil, and I haven't repurchased the next one. I think I'll do that next month, or maybe the middle of the month. Who knows if I'm reckless enough. This is in the color Espresso. I think this is the darkest color. I wish it was a little gray, but I do find that pencils make it easier to get that feathered look, whereas gels or like pomades just really kind of give you like a clumped brow. Okay, so I'm just gonna set them in place with this Make Me Brow by Essence. I'm gonna take this Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I'm going to carve these babies out. So there's the brow, looking real good. Real Slim Jim. Okay, so now that the brows are done, I'm going to do my eyes. I think I'm gonna go for like a really super natural, easy, quick look. because I do have 2 other videos to film today. It's 2:30 and I'm losing light super quickly because it's winter. So yeah, we're gonna do something quick and simple. I'm gonna take the same concealer and put it all over my eyelid. I'm gonna take this LA Girl powder in the color Soft Honey, and I'm gonna set this. I'm gonna go into this color. This is my favorite transition shade, like a pinky mauve color in the crease. That's always gonna be my crease shade for when I'm doing a simple look. I recently got my hands on this Melted Chrome eyeshadow by Essence. It's in the color Golden Crown. Such a beautiful, I love these eyeshadows, you guys know already. Okay, so it's on my finger. I'm going to swipe it on my eyelid. So I'm just gonna take this brush. This is a Carla, not R, there's no R. There we go, Carla 319 brush. This is a medium shadow brush. I'm going to try and blend this out. Now that that is on there, you can go back in with your crease color and just try and blend it out a little better than what it is. So like that and like that. And there we go. Now, wing liner is like key with the simple look. Yeah, but how you can do it is you can just take a black eyeshadow or just a dark brown and just like run it along and like make it a winged liner. That's super easy if you don't want to do the whole winged liner thing. It's like a faux winged liner. Super easy. I'm going to do the real deal winged liner. If you're going for a more subtle look, you'll obviously do the faux liner with the eyeshadow. That looks really nice, really subtle. Now that the lashes are drying, I've already primed my face. This is a really nice, like, light to medium coverage foundation. This is the Rimmel Match Perfection. This is in the color Noisette, as you can see there. Another one that's really nice is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. Fit Me? Yeah, Fit Me Matte and Poreless. We're gonna put some of this on while we wait for the glue to dry. One pump this side, one pump this side. You could totally skip foundation and do concealer. Or you could do foundation and no concealer. set it with the same powder from earlier. We're gonna do some contouring. I did order new contour palettes, 2 of them, a dark shade and a medium shade, and I'm waiting for those to come in. They said they should be here around the 12th of July. So for now, we're gonna continue to try and scrape this one out because this one is my favorite. Just, it's the right amount of warmth, honestly. Take a smaller brush and do my nose. I'm going to take the same face powder that I used earlier and just run it right underneath here. We're gonna do some blush because the blush looks really good. Really good. I'm gonna go into this shade. Wow. Shoo. Okay. Okay, so in the same Morphe palette, I'm going to take the same color that I used in my crease, and I'm going to run it along my lower lash line. I'm going to take my Inglot Jennifer Lopez mascara and use that. Take my favorite highlighter. This is the Wet n Wild Precious Petals one. How pretty. I'm gonna take it on a fluffy brush. I forgot what this brush is called. Ooh. How pretty is that? A fan brush. This is a fan brush. Oh, that is just gorga. Okay, I'm gonna take a smaller brush and do my brow. I'm going to take a tinier brush and do my nose and my inner corner. I'm gonna go into the same gold eyeshadow that I put on my eyelid, this one, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner as well. set our face. This one first. This is the Rimmel Insta Fix and Go, and then obviously the MAC Fix Plus. Okay, so I'm gonna do this lip pencil by Colors Limited. This one was in the color Massy. It's really old. Colors still exists. They rebranded, I think. At Edgar's, is from Edgar's, but I don't know if they still have these. We're gonna take MAC's Honey Love and put this in the center. You could totally leave it matte, but I'm gonna put gloss on mine. I'm gonna take this MAC gloss. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I did a really simple, like quick and easy look because I'm losing lighting. So yeah, this is nice, simple, easy. You can do it in like 20 minutes. Yeah, I really like how it turned out. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see my videos in your subscription feed. Also, click on the little gray bell next to the subscribe button so that you don't miss a video when I upload one. You can also check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. I'm very active on all three of those. And if you're on Facebook a lot and you don't want to miss any of my videos, you can just like my Facebook page. It's called Nicole Khumalo YouTube, and you'll see my videos in your feed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!